Well, let's show up how to operate the drum scraper dryer step by step. First step, connect the pipes. Our drum scraper dryer is equipped with advanced scraper technology, ensuring uniform and efficient drying. Whether you're in the food industry, chemical processing, or pharmaceuticals, our dryer is adaptable to various materials and industries. It provides a versatile drying solution for flakes, powders, and other substances. The second step, wire connection.